Wondering how to make money online without followers? Yes, it's possible. And you can start even if you're beginning from absolute zero. Before we jump in, make sure you subscribe to the channel and grab the free Freedom Blueprint in the description below. It'll show you the same simple steps I'm learning right now. Hey, I'm Lori. I'm a married, empty nester mom of 4 living with a chronic illness. And for years, I thought online income was only for people with big followings or perfect health or tons of extra time. That simply wasn't me. And maybe it isn't you either. I tried freelance writing, I ran Etsy shops, I was an Amazon affiliate, and even though I enjoyed being creative, nothing matched my energy or my real life. The hours were long, the learning curves were steep, and the income didn't match the work I was putting in. So if you've ever wondered how people actually make money online without followers, let me walk you through it. Here's the first truth. You don't need a big audience. You need a clear system, a step-by-step plan that shows you what to do every day. Quick question. Have you ever stopped yourself from starting because you thought you needed thousands of followers? If so, tell me in the comments. Here's the second truth. Consistency matters more than popularity. Small audiences can grow real income when the message is clear and the routine is simple. Before I share the next part, make sure you subscribe and grab the free Freedom Formula Blueprint below. It'll save you so much time as a beginner. Here's the third truth. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to be one step ahead of the other person. The system I'm using teaches you everything in simple steps using only your phone, your Wi-Fi, and 2 hours a day. That's it. This is what so many people inside our community are earning $300, $600, even $900 plus a day. They're not influencers. They're just consistent. Here's the fourth truth. A strong community matters more than algorithms. Our community has more than 54,000 people inside. Moms, dads, empty nesters, people rebuilding after burnout or empty nest, people navigating health challenges, people wanting flexible income that fits their real life. And our mentor, Michelle, shares coaching videos that help you stay focused and encouraged. You can make money online without followers, and you can start small. You just need a simple system and 2 hours a day. That's all. Before you go, subscribe to the channel and grab your free Freedom Formula Blueprint below. You can absolutely do this, my friend. And I'm here to walk with you every step of the way. Don't miss this next video.